Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to use the Blocksy theme in WordPress. First, you will install and activate Blocksy from your WordPress dashboard, just like any other theme. Once activated, navigate to the WordPress customizer to unlock its powerful design options. Blocksy offers a seamless experience, allowing you to see your changes in real time. You can also import one of its many starter sites to kickstart your project with a professional look in just a few clicks. Blocksy provides extensive customization features right within the WordPress customizer. You can effortlessly manage your global color palettes, ensuring your brand identity is consistent everywhere. Fine-tune every aspect of your typography, from font families to line heights, for a polished look. Furthermore, you have granular control over layout options for individual pages, posts, and even your blog archives, offering immense flexibility. One of Blocksy's standout features is its intuitive header and footer builder. This powerful tool allows you to create completely custom layouts using a simple drag-and-drop interface. You can design up to 3 distinct header rows, such as a top bar, a main header, and a bottom bar, each with unique elements. Similarly, the footer builder lets you add widgets, social media links, and custom content, giving you full creative control over these crucial areas. Blocksy is engineered with performance in mind, delivering incredibly fast loading speeds for an optimal user experience. It boasts excellent compatibility with leading page builders such as Elementor, Blocksy, and Beaver Builder, allowing you to design complex layouts effortlessly. Moreover, Blocksy is fully responsive, meaning your website will look fantastic and function perfectly on desktops, tablets, and mobile phones, ensuring a consistent experience for everyone.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.